In the project were involved three types of cargo: piles, topside and jacket. But for sure the most challenging were the jacket and the topside.
DTEC did the technical engineering and the supervision of the transport and loading of the main components for an offshore facility up to underhook the installation vessel. The topside was built on a slip of a wharf, and so the slip had a downslope towards the water. The edge of the slip was underwater, so the barge stuck out about a meter. And we had to build a ramp to be able to drive the trailer onto the barge deck.
Beside the topside, the main cargo of this project was the jacket. Jacket is a supporting structure for the topside with a complexive weight of around 1,130 tons.
It was not 100% clear during the planning what's the actual status of the construction at the time of loading. So when it came closer to the loading date, the position of the CLG and the total weight had to be adjusted, and the trailer setup had to be also amended to match the new position.
Another challenge was, of course, communication and the interface with the other parties involved in the project, and we had also to respect a really tight deadline. Of course, DTEC was present on spot to be sure that everything was carried out in the safest and the smoothest way, and to have a good coordination between the parties.